Hello everybody, welcome to Kitty and the Beast channel. In today's video, you'll be able to see how I made this rainbow horse charm. It's quite a simple DIY project, so try it and let me know how it worked out. We need to prepare colorful polymer clay and our favorite tools before we start. By the way, what tools do you use the most? I start with making a base, rolling and adjusting a piece of black polymer clay in round shape on a piece of baking paper. This is a nice way to have control on what you're doing with your material, and if you haven't tried it before, I really recommend you to give it a shot. It's not essential to put the screw with a loop in the very beginning, but I find it easier to work this way. Plus, the screw holds better if it's there during the whole time and it's not necessary to glue it again after. When the base is ready, I take white polymer clay, as it will be the main color of our horse. I prepare it properly and start sculpting the head. Adding piece by piece when it's necessary. Then the neck. It doesn't need to look smooth right now because we'll take care of it a bit later. For now, it's important to get the main shape, and I've also decided to try not to make it too flat because real horses have a lot of visible muscles everywhere. Now, using this small spatula, I'm smudging the edges together, which gives us quite a nice look. The softness of this polymer clay allows me to adjust the shape a little bit more, so you can see how I'm doing that. I make nostrils and add some other lines to acquire a better shape. I guess I should try to make a realistic horse someday. A little ear too. So now we start making the mane. It's the actual rainbow part of the pendant, so I roll small pieces of polymer clay, color by color, and place them. First, I'm making the fringe, it's red, and then I'll continue with the neck. I wanted to simulate the windy weather, so I place and shape bangs like the hair blown by the wind, a wind from behind. I really like the order of the colors that imitates the rainbow, and it actually reminded me one simple thing, one phrase that we used to remember this color order when I was a little kid. Do you have anything like that in your language? Could you please write it down in the comments? I would really like to know. I'm fixing everything lightly before I start adding textures to the mane. And now I'm adding a pattern. First rough, then I'm changing the tool and draw thinner hairs. To make an eye, I mark a proper place with a small round hole. Put a tiny ball of black polymer clay there. And then cover it from top and bottom with eyelids made of the same color polymer clay as the head of the horse. Sorry for all my hair, you see. I was really concentrated on what I was doing, so I just forgot to move back. At this point, I decided to add a couple more swirls of purple and especially blue strands. It seems to add more artistic looks to the charm. This part of job is done. This piece was boiled, so I used Fimo varnish to protect it and to add some pretty gloss to it. It also refreshes colors that faded a bit while boiling. And when the varnish has dried, the charm is ready to be used as a pendant, keychain, or whatever I want it to be. I hope you like this easy DIY project, and if you found it useful, please subscribe and consider supporting me on Patreon to help me make videos like this more often. Thank you, and see you in the next video.